Deltares has been involved in propeller jet research for a long time already. Propeller jets produced by vessels create large flow velocities near quay walls, and to protect the stability of the bed, bed protection is needed, otherwise quay walls may collapse. We're doing this research to better understand the loading on the bed and also the response of the bed to optimize design of future bed protections.
RenoMac Plus is the Mac solution specifically designed for filtering and scour protection. And these are the results of development and the research of Mac in hydraulic and marine engineering.
We 3D printed the mesh structures, and then we bent all these meshes in the right shape. We sandwiched in between geotextile mat, so then it really resembles a real mattress of Mac.
Mac was one of the participants in the propeller jet working group that was formed in the Netherlands, and they were very proactive in performing new research and also investigating their type of solutions for bed protections.
We started with velocity measurements, and then we're using a technique called PIV. We illuminate a piece of the flow with a laser, and we follow small tracer particles, and with a computer algorithm we can calculate the flow in a 2D field. And then we can exactly see what the velocity magnitude is above the mattresses. And after this we were looking at the deformation. We placed the mattresses on a sand bed, and in the mattresses there are accelerometers, so we know if it's moving or not. We also use cameras to also quantitatively see if the mattress is actually moving.
We want to prove that the RenoMac Plus is able to withstand very high velocities, especially with turbulent flows caused by jet propellers. So at the end we want to come up with a new sound design criteria to have higher resistance parameters for this special solution.
Well, there is a strong focus now on, next to reducing cost, also reducing emissions and reducing the amount of material needed. So looking for sustainable solutions.
Nice about these Gabion mattresses is that they use less rock than the conventional protection system with bigger rocks. So by using less rock we put less load on the environment.
For the first time at Deltares we are taking a scientific approach to a world of uncertainties and challenges like in operations underwater. Those are the most difficult conditions where guidelines are the only way for us, for the engineering community, to make choices. The scope of these tests is to give solid design criteria to the choice of the most appropriate erosion and anti-scour protection system.